Welcome to Computer Code God channel. Topic: Fill blank cells in MS Excel. In this video, you will learn how to select all empty cells in an Excel spreadsheet at once and fill blanks with 0 or any other value or text. You will learn one quick way to fill blank cells with different values or text using Go-To feature. You can see the attendance record for different students for the month of April. Here, P represents present, A represents absent. Select the attendance of 10 students for the whole month. Here, select the cell range from C3 to AF12. Click on Edit menu, select Go-To option. Display the Go-To dialog box. Shortcut key. Press Ctrl G or F5 to display the Go-To dialog box. Click on Special button. The Go-To special command allows you to select certain types of cells, such as cells containing formulas, comments, constants, and blanks. Select Blanks radio button in Go-To special dialog box. Click OK button. The blank cells are selected. D3 is Add to Cell. Type the number or text you want to fill. In this example, type letter A in D3 cell, that is Add to Cell. Press Ctrl Enter to copy the text to all the selected cells. The blank cells are filled with letter A. Fill red color using fill color in the blank cells containing letter A. Method 2. Select the blank cells and fill the empty cells using Find and Replace dialog box. The picture shows attendance of students for the month of April. Select the attendance of students from day 1 to day 30, that is cell C3 to AF12. Press Ctrl H to display the Find and Replace dialog box. Click on Replace tab. Leave the Find What field blank. Type letter A in the Replace with text box. Click Options button. Replace Format dialog box opens. Click Format tab beside Replace with text box. Replace Format window opens. Under Patterns tab, select the color you want to replace in place of white color. Click OK button. Returns to the previous Find and Replace dialog box. Press Replace All button. Get the message Excel has completed its search and has made replacements. Ignore the message. Press OK button. Close the Find and Replace dialog box. Automatically fill in the blank cells with the text A you entered in the Replace with text box in Find and Replace dialog box. Now you know the trick for filling in blank cells with different values or text. Like, share, subscribe Computer Codeword channel. Click the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.